Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lecture, dear students, we are going to explain the oxidation-reduction reactions. We all know that oxidation is when the atom loses electrons, while reduction is when the atom gains electrons. In the previous lecture, I explained how to calculate the oxidation number. And in this slide, I summed up all the rules that you have to use in order to calculate the oxidation number of any atom in an element or in a compound. Now we are going to explain how to use the oxidation number in order to verify whether the reaction is redox or not. Check the example given here. The oxidation number of Na is 0. The oxidation number of Cl2 is 0. The oxidation number here of Na plus is plus 1. The oxidation number of Cl minus is equal to minus 1. Check the oxidation number of Na, the change in its oxidation number. The oxidation number of Na increased from 0 to plus 1. There is an increase in the oxidation number, so we say that the element is undergoing oxidation. While regarding Cl, its oxidation number has decreased from 0 to minus 1, therefore it undergoes reduction. So, since the oxidation number of Na, of sodium, increases from 0 to plus 1, whereas the oxidation number of Cl decreases from 0 to minus 1, then there is a change in the oxidation number of reactants. We say that this reaction is redox. In the exam, you will be asked to identify if the reaction is redox or not. To verify this, you have to use the oxidation numbers and then answer as follows the sentences that I just mentioned, and then you will say that the reaction is redox. So when the oxidation number of the reactant increases, therefore it undergoes oxidation, and when its oxidation number decreases, therefore it undergoes reduction. From the example we just explained, we can identify the following. When Na undergoes oxidation, it is called the reducing agent or reductant, which means it loses electrons. While Cl undergoes reduction, we say that it is the oxidizing agent or oxidant. So the reducing agent is the reactant that loses electrons, therefore it undergoes oxidation, whereas the oxidizing agent is the reactant that gains electrons and undergoes reduction. So, as we have just explained, oxidation it is the process by which a chemical species loses one or more electrons. We can write the oxidation half reaction of an element as follows. Silver atom, Ag, it loses one electron in order to become Ag plus 1 electron. So, its oxidation number has increased from 0 to plus 1 and it undergoes oxidation. So in order to write the oxidation half reaction of any element, we have first to write the name of or the symbol of the element undergoing oxidation, then the arrow followed by the ionic form of the element, then the numbers of the electrons lost. Reduction is a process by which a chemical species gains one or more electrons, as we have just explained. In order to write the reduction half equation, we follow as the given example. The silver ion has gained one electron in order to become silver. Its oxidation number has decreased from plus 1 to 0, so it undergoes reduction. Here is how to write the reduction half equation. First, we have to write the symbol of the oxidant or the element undergoing reduction, followed by the number of its gained electrons. So what are redox reactions? Redox reactions are the chemical reactions that involve both oxidation and reduction at the same time. When one of the reactants is oxidized, the other element is reduced. The number of electrons lost by the reducing agent should be equal to the number of the electrons gained by the oxidizing agent. If you understand the given lecture, here you have two exercises that you have to solve as a homework, and send me your answers, please. Have a good time. Bye-bye.